Hi guys, this is Ryan here. I was gonna say sorry for not uploading this video yesterday, but someone broke into our house. So I mean that's a video for tomorrow. So I will make a video on that tomorrow. Excuse my hair, it's been raining and I'm still in my school stuff. I'm just a mess right now. I've just set my Xbox back up. So yeah, gaming videos this weekend. Yeah, let's get into the video. Go.
So Ryan,
Yeah.
do Ruben and Ashley actually watch your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Like everyone?
Not all of them, but some of them. What are you doing?
I mean, oh, I got one more brace.
What?
I can't get it. Ow, 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 ow.
You right there?
See what I've done?
Damn, look at that. I got 3 dislikes. I wonder who disliked it. Ha ha, jokes. Anyway, let's start the video. Hi guys, this is Ryan here, and today we are going to be doing the other 15 tings of this ting, and Holly is here. Say hi.
Oh, hi.
Here is oh, hello. Start a song over from the... Oh, no, plus I beg. Not Minecraft. You're almost as bad as your brother with the I am the dab and the dab is me. Hashtag sub to Beagle's YouTube channel. Do you ever verbally narrate your life when no one else is around? No, I'm not a weirdo.
Yep.
You do. Do you ever run up the stairs on all fours like an animal?
Yeah, that's basically, that's the only way I can get up the stairs.
Well, currently not at the moment because I live in a bungalow. Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
What was that about?
Don't worry.
You choke on a sweet?
No. I took my shin pad off.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe I...
Right, do you ever run up the last bit of stairs like something or someone is chasing you?
I do it at the whole stairs.
Fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, you do. You always go up the stairs. You're always like really out of breath.
Shut up.
You're like... We've got technical difficulties with Holly at the moment, so it'll just be me. Yes. I do verbally assault inanimate objects. No, I don't do number 25 because I'm not a weirdo.
Oops. Those M&Ms are giving me reflux.
Another cheeky burp. I'm telling you, this is what I deal with.
No, I fell asleep on you once. Not like on the call.
Hey, I mean, I'm not complaining. Do you ever flick your boogers? What do you think I am? I am a weirdo. Yes, I am a weirdo, but I'm not that weird. Do you ever think of something to put on social media, then get a crisis of confidence on the funniness or coolness and delete it?
Yeah.
I don't.
It's on my Snapchat story. It's like, oh no, I don't want to post that anymore.
Okay then.
You'll see, after I've had a sleepover, I'll probably delete 99.9% of things I put on there.
I'm not gonna read 28 out because I don't understand it. Like what? It basically means, do you ever feel like you're gonna get exposed?
No.
Exactly,
Oh, actually, yeah.
I don't, because there's nothing to expose about me. I'm so weird that everyone already knows everything about me. I'm pretty sure everyone does this. I mean, like at least once. Have you ever peed in the shower?
Dancing in the mirror. Pee in the shower. I'm not answering this question. It's weird.
It's been done by everyone. It has been done. Like you can't tell. You can't honestly, you cannot honestly comment down below that you have never peed in the shower.
Oh my god.
Right. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And if this video reaches 1 like, then I will plug my headphones into my computer. And Holly, what will you do if this video reaches 1 like?
I don't know. I will stand up in English and shout Allahu Akbar.
Hell no.
no jokes. I'm joking.
Damn. If
I'm
this video reaches 5 million likes, then Holly has to take over my YouTube channel. So you gotta get us to 5 million likes. Right, anyway guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video. XD, bye. I'm definitely not like the cringiest person on YouTube.